Here we have a 2011 Volkswagen Golf 4-cylinder diesel TSI, and I'll run you through how to change the engine oil and filter. At the front of the engine, the oil filter is located, just with my oil filter claw, extension and ratchet. Loosen the filter. There we go. Just wipe down any oil that's spilt, clean up the oil filter housing. The O-ring has got a clean contacting surface. Once that's all clean, we'll now go ahead and raise up the car and drain the engine oil. Located on the driver's side of the vehicle is the engine oil sump, and there's your drain plug. So with a 19mm spanner, we'll just go ahead and loosen that. There we go. Now we'll leave that to drain 10 minutes. Just replace the sump plug washer. The new one. And apply some oil to the oil filter O-ring. There we go. Now just refit the sump plug. Now that the sump plug's fitted, we can lower the car back down, refit the oil filter and fill it with oil. We can refit our new filter. And go ahead and fill up the engine with fresh engine oil using 530 full synthetic engine oil, which is compatible with particulate filters. We'll fill it with 4 litres and then recheck our oil level. So far we've got 3.5 litres in it, and we're full on the dipstick. So we'll go ahead and start the car and fill the oil filter with oil, and then we'll recheck the oil level. We're just going to go ahead and start the engine now, prime the oil filter and pump the oil around the engine. That'll be fine. Now we'll recheck our oil level and top it up if need be. So the oil level's dropped to halfway on the stick. We'll just top it up half a litre to bring it up to the full mark. And there we have it, oil level sitting on the full mark there. Oil cap back on, and it took 4 litres of 530 full synthetic engine oil.